To set up hotspot on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings for your device. Next step is to navigate down, and then we'll be able to find the mobile networks. Now click on the personal hotspot. After that, you can enable this option, and we can adjust all of the settings if we click on more options. First is security. If you want to use password for your mobile hotspot, you need to make sure that you have any WPA protocol selected. If you don't want to use password for your network, then select none. That way the password will be gone. In this case, I'm going to go for the protocol 2, and then we can enter a password. In this case, it needs to be 8 digits. After that, we can click on OK to confirm it. You can change AP band to 2.4 or 5G. The difference is 2.4G is more compatible. If there's a device that has problem connecting with your network, then make sure that you have 2.4G selected. 5G offers higher speed, but devices that do not support 5G won't be able to connect with your network. Then there's auto disable, which will automatically turn off your hotspot after this time that you can select right here of inactivity. That means that when there's no device connected to your hotspot, it will disable it automatically. Then there's hide personal hotspot. If you enable this option, your hotspot will be gone from Wi-Fi lists. You will need, if somebody tries to connect with it, they will need to do it manually, knowing the information about your hotspot. You can also change Wi-Fi protocol to Wi-Fi 5 or 6. Also, it changes compatibility and speed, so higher Wi-Fi protocol will give you more speed, but it will be less compatible. And there's also option for Bluetooth tethering if you want to use it, but in this case we're gonna focus on standard hotspot. Now there's if you go back, there's device name. You can change the name for your hotspot, so pick whichever name you like. You can change the password right here if you want it, and you can also use this option to show you QR code. That way other devices will be able to connect to your hotspot by scanning this QR code right here. And there's also option to select connected devices. That way you can see how many devices are currently connected to. There will be on the list. You can manage how many devices can be connected, and you can also, if there's something connected, block it. That way it will appear on the block list right here and won't be able to access your hotspot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.